Okay, so now we are going to learn the formation of the alphabet that you learned, isn't it? So the part 1, your first alphabet is S. Okay, and this is your sound. This is your sound over here. Okay, now we have the same thing over here. Now let's see how we are going to write this alphabet. So children, before you use your pencil to write the alphabet, can we all use our fingers? Yes, and first can we just go over the alphabet to make it more easier for you? Yes, now see. Now I showed you the action as S, correct? Yes. Now here, see, in the same way, I'm starting S from here and it is S. Once again, start from here and S. And this is your sound S. This is your sound S. Okay. Now I will just show you how we will start this. Now if I go through this inside, you go in, S. All right, once again I will show you from the outer side. S. Once again, S. So this is how you write S. Okay, and this is your sound. So let's not write over there because that is your sound. So we are only writing it on your S, capital S. Okay, the S over here. This is your sound. So once again I will show it to you on the plain board. You start from here, S. Once again, this S. Okay, again use your hand and you trace it over S. With your fingers you trace it over S. Okay, so that's how I showed you S. Sound is S. Okay, again once again you trace it is S. All right, now you with this alphabet, that is part 1, the first alphabet, you learned your story, your song, your sound, okay, and also how to write it, the formation. Yes.